Okay, I had to post this video immediately because this 132 method is on fire, so let's jump right into it. Now, the 799 is coming from the NC previous hit, which is 7994, and that hit on the 21st evening track. Okay, so NC hit for today was 268. Before I start explaining, I just want you guys to know that the traveling numbers close by your date sum is your hit digits. I did 7 workouts off this method and they are all falling the same way. Okay, so doing my research, I discovered that the top of your workout represents the bottom and the bottom represents the top. And what that means in the simplest way is that if your first digit is at the top, then your second digit will be at the bottom. I don't know how long it will be working this way for now. It is with your pick 4 to the 132 method. Okay, so moving on, what I noticed is that your hit digits are telling you which row your next digit is in. So when you have your first digit at the top or bottom, you want to follow that row to your next date sum digits. Also, by doing your pick 4 to this method, it is using the opposite mirror digit to find the first digit of your pick 3 hit. So if you guys are looking at your screen right now, I want to show you guys what I'm talking about. Today's date sum is 3 and 8, 3 being the regular digit, 8 being this mirror digit. And the way it works is you have to use the mirror digit to find your first pick 3 digit. So coming off of this 8, you have 2. Now NC hit for today was 268. So check this out right here. Okay, you see coming off this 8, you have 2. Being that the 2 is here in this row, it's telling you where your next number is also going to be located at. So this area up here is called your bottom. This right here is called your top. And the pattern that it goes in is bottom, top, bottom. Okay. So from the bottom, we have to go to the top. So we follow 2 all the way down to the top, and it gives you 6. Now, it doesn't matter where your date sum digit is because it's gonna tell you which row your next winning digit is in by your first winning digit. Okay, it's look, you guys, it's imperative that everybody pays attention to this because it really works. Like when I discovered this, it shocked me because it's much easier to find your hits instead of okay, this looked right and I love the way this corner looks and this right here and that. Yeah. This right here works. I'm trying to tell you. And you're seeing it right here and you're seeing it in this video today. So this 2, it takes you down to 6. Okay. And in the same row, you have to go back up to the bottom. So from the bottom, we're looking for the very last digit and we go, oh, well, here go, the regular digit for our date sum. So the top gave us, 6. So what else are we looking for in that same row? And you come here and you're looking at your date sum and you're like, oh, okay, bam, there it is right there. 268 in the official order. You guys should have a hit tonight. And if you guys do, make sure to comment down below because I want to know if you guys are understanding these workouts. This right here is the most easiest one to really work with. The 132 method, it's really easy and it works and it's working very, very good for now. So definitely hop on it and it can be applied to any state.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.